What's up, guys? My name is Veronica. Welcome back to my channel. We discuss lifestyle and mental health content here on this channel, and it is the season to be fiscally conscious. What does it mean to be fiscally conscious? It means being aware of your own ability to control your finances. So, I know that's something a lot of us don't like to talk about or think about. It's something I don't really enjoy thinking about, but it's also something that needs to be done. So I'm going to share with you guys a few tips and tricks that I use to help make sure I stay on track in terms of finances. The first thing is to make a list of all of my expenses, all of the necessary bills that I have to pay, and then next I add on any extracurricular activities that I want to do. Then I set all of the expenses on auto pay, even the budget that I have for my extracurricular activities. So every month, my bills, my funds for my extracurricular activities are portioned out. They come out of my bank account. Then I have a separate card. Sometimes it's a credit card. I will use that card to purchase any miscellaneous items that I might want, like if I go to a movie or get snacks or we go on a vacation. Those go onto a separate credit card, and then that credit card is also paid off on auto pay. So this way I can make sure that all of my bills are being paid on time, that I have money to do the extra things that I want to do for fun, and then I'm building my credit in the process because I'm paying off my bills on a schedule, or because I'm also paying off that credit card on auto pay. So those are some of the things that I do to help me stay on top of my finances. If you guys have any tips or tricks that you would like to share, we would love to hear about them in the comments below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, vlog.